We're now going to take a look at set membership checking. Again, this is done the same way as we did with strings, lists, and tuples. We're now just going to apply it to sets, and that is with the in operator. So let's just say we have a set over here, and we'll just make it simple of integers. So here is our set. We want to check if one of the numbers is in the set. We say is 5 in S. Is it in there? So the in operator will return a Boolean like that. We can check if a number is in the set. Here's where it is false. We can use not in again. So this just returns the opposite like that. If you had, let's just say a string in here, and that would work the same way. Let's just say we have a tuple, a 3-item tuple like this. So now let's go back over here and let's test, is the string with capital P Python in there? No, that is false. If you try to do a 1-character string, is the character P in there? No. The character P is in the string Python like this. That is true, but it's not a single, there's not a string that is a 1-character string of just P. So it's got to match the string exactly. So if I do make this Python in S, well, that is true. And lastly, is 1, 2, 3. Is that tuple in S? Well, that is true. If you try to do this, 1, 2, 3 in S, this is where the parentheses matter. We're going to get something strange like this. You're like, okay, what has happened here? Well, since there are no parentheses, it's going to treat this whole thing as a tuple. That's what has been returned. So the first item is 1, the second item is 2. The third item is 3 in S. That's what it's doing. So look at this independently like this. Is 3 in S? No, that is false. So it's 1, 2, false as a tuple. All right, so that's how you do set membership checking, and it is with the in operator.